Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to clear multiple chat history at once on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu. Find the Telegram app and tap on it. Tap and hold the chat to select. Now tap on the chat you wish to clear. After making the selection, click the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Clear History. Now tap on Clear History again to confirm. That's it. Selected chat history has been cleared. This is how you can clear multiple chat history at once on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.